What are the federal sentencing guidelines? I love talking about this and I hate talking about it. Why? Because typically I have people who are dealing with the state system time and time again. And in the state system, you get arrested for a crime, you plead guilty to a crime, you get a plea agreement. And that plea agreement says you're going to plead guilty to X crime. And in exchange for that, you're going to get 2 years probation or you're going to get 2 years in prison. In the federal system, it's all different. It's all based and driven by the federal sentencing guidelines. Now, they used to be mandatory. And if you got convicted of a crime, you plead guilty to a crime, you're getting this mandatory offense. But after the case of United States versus Booker, they became advisory. It's a graph you look at. Your attorney will say, well, okay, we go over it, we go in the middle, we find the numbers. That's what you're going to present it to the judge with. And there are other ways they can get you lower on that graph. But the reality is, if you have been charged with a federal crime or indicted for a federal crime, the sentencing guidelines are in play. It is up to attorney's job to argue for variances and departures from that range. But the attorney must understand the guidelines in order to teach them and show you what the guidelines mean and how they may play a factor in your case.